Challenges are what make life interesting, and overcoming them is what makes life meaningful. Too often, we avoid the challenge, settling for comfort, but the open road demands more. Every curve, every mountain pass in Vietnam is a test that forces massive self-growth and unlocks pure freedom. Sharing that grit with your mates forges an unbreakable brotherhood. Stop seeking the easy path and start conquering the journey that defines you. Join us for your epic Vietnam motorcycle tour in 2026.